I want to answer today to the question why fz is equal 1 over square root exponential minus z square over 2 is a density function. Okay? So let me remind you, what is this function? Indeed, this function is the density function of the random variable that follows the standard normal distribution. Normal distribution, okay? So, what is also when a function f can be considered as a density if it satisfies two statements. So fz should be positive for all z, and the integer of per fz over r should be equal to 1. Okay. The first one is easy since fz is proportional to exponential function, which is positive. Then this one is easy. To prove the second one now, we need to recall two things. We need to recall that the gamma z function exponential, minus t dt, and this function is defined for every z positive, and we know that gamma half is square root b. Okay, so we need this result to prove that the integral of z dz is equal to 1. Okay, let's start then the proof. Okay, first of all, z exponential minus z squared 2 is even. Then the integral over L to exponential minus z squared dz is twice the integral from 0 to infinity to minus z squared over 2 dz. Okay, then we make the change of variable t equal z squared over 2. Then if and only if z is square root 2t, if and only if dz is dt over square root dt. Okay, go ahead then. So the integral of minus z squared dz, so it is equal twice the integral 0 infinity to exponential minus z squared dz. It is then twice the integral 0 infinity. So since z is belonging to 0 infinity, t is as well is belonging to 0 infinity, and we can write that this is equal to exponential minus t, and here dt square root 2 dt. I'm replacing dc by dt over square root 2t. Then is equal 2 over square root 2 is square root 2. This one will be 0 infinity 1 over square root t. I can write it as t power half minus 1 exponential minus t dt. And this one reminds me the gamma half. As I said before, this one is equal to square root b. Then this is square root 2 by square root b. So remember then 1 over square root 2p exponential minus z squared 2 dz will be equal square root 2p over square root 2p equal to 1. Okay? Then we have proven that this is a density function. Thank you.